Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to grow an avocado from seed. So here I have an avocado seed which is of a fully ripe avocado fruit. All you will require is 1 cup of water, toothpicks and 1 avocado seed. So first you have to peel off the skin of the seed so that it can germinate easily. After peeling off the skin, you have to pierce the toothpicks. Do not pierce the toothpicks where the crack is there, because from the crack the root will come out. Pierce the toothpicks anywhere away from the crack. One side of the seed will be flat and the other side will be little bit pointed on top. So the flat side of the seed, you have to immerse it in the water, and the pointed end should be facing upwards. So here, this is after 10 days. You can see a little white root coming out from the crack. You can keep this seed for few more days in the water, but for faster growth, you can plant it in the soil. Remove the toothpicks and then just grow it in normal garden soil. This is an 8-inch pot which I have taken. It is filled with normal garden soil. So like after when the shoot arises, you can transfer it in a bigger pot containing compost and 50% compost and 50% garden soil.